I don't know, dude. We'll see if this downloads. What's up, Tonix? How you doing, bro? Okay, so let's see. Keep your base strategy. Momentum, mean reversion, OFI, GFI, funding drift, pattern rules, or even discretionary calls. The base signal just decides when a candidate trade exists. Create the meta labels. For each candidate trade, define success equals 1, fail equals 0. Using the triple barrier method, take profit, stop loss, and or max holding time. Whichever barrier hits first sets the label. This turns was the signal worth taking into a clear binary target. Build the meta feature set. Only info available at entry time. Damn, so this is broken, dude. Alright, let's try the chunker. There's a chunker in there. There's probably a reason for it. Also, let's get rid of all of these files here. Not the bird eye data. All the HTMLs. Sneak them in my delete. Okay, so let's go to API chunks fixed. Maybe I'll be able to get it this way. Yo, funny, what's up, bro? Okay, so max chunks to download. Can I buy your bootcamp with crypto? Yeah, dude. Just shoot us an email right here, and you can buy with crypto. I'll send you the Addy. Okay, so max chunks to download, target last 400 days. Getting complete liquidation data from file end. This downloads the full 1.5 gigabyte data set with recent data first. Target complete 1 year data set. We'll see if this works, I suppose. Okay, so create the meta labels for each candidate. Okay, we read that. Whichever barrier hits first sets the label. This turns was the signal worth taking into a clear binary target. Damn, so we couldn't get the file size. We couldn't get the data set. Okay, let's do this again. I keep getting the connection error, connection broken. Please don't mess with the original API or API chunks, but build a file that tries to get this data from the server. It's a Ubuntu server. I'm just pulling it from. It's my own server. Um, and let me know if there's anything that I can do tapping into that server to see if there's anything to fix it, or if this can be done on this side. It's essentially just a big old CSV sitting there on the server, and then we call it from this API endpoint. So let me know if I need to log into that server and change anything. But you got this. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and keep it pushing through this. This is interesting. For each candidate trade, define success equals 1, fail equals 0. So build the meta feature set, only if available at entry time. Base signal strength and direction, recent hit rate of the base model, regime and microstructure, volatility, spread impact, trend state, funding skew, OFI, liquidity depth, time factor, session, day of week, event calendars, rich context, correlation, clustering with other active bets. Train a calibrated classifier. Start with logistic regression slash XGBoost. Calibrate probabilities. Plat or isotonic. Use purged, embargoed cross-validation to avoid leakage in overlapping bars trades. Optimize thresholds to maximize strategy level metrics like Sharp or Drawdown. So it looks like your API endpoint itself isn't reachable from your local machine. The connection is being refused before we even get to large file issue. Here's what's happening. Server is not accessible from outside. Doesn't make sense because I think it works when I